I'll take everyone down, damn it! Where's the gear, damn it? Get in the car, damn it, now!
We have heard about this, but it's rare to see it on video. It's well known that Russian commanders are killing their own soldiers, which are running from the front lines. Run, bitch! Everyone in the vehicle! Bastards, I'll kill you all, faggots! A Russian commander threatens to shoot soldiers because they are afraid to go into battle.
Get in the car, damn it, now! I'll take everyone down, damn it! Where's the gear, damn it? Get in the car, bastards! Morons, damn cowards, I'll take you all down! Get in, you damn bitch! You jerk! I'll knock you all down! Don't you know the route, you idiot? You left everyone, bastards! Follow me! To be continued!
Ukraine's 74th Battalion Unit Shadow covers a Russian Buk air defense system with GMLRS cluster artillery. Ukrainians have been highly effective in neutralizing Russian air defense systems through a combination of reconnaissance, precision strikes, and the integration of advanced weaponry. Reconnaissance plays a critical role, with drones being deployed to locate and identify Russian systems such as S-300, S-400, Tor, and Pantsir units. Both military-grade drones like Bayraktar TB2s and Leleka 100s, as well as modified commercial drones, are utilized to gather real-time intelligence, often flying low to evade detection. Once targets are identified, Ukraine employs a variety of precision weapons to destroy them. HIMARS, armed with GMLRS rockets, has been particularly effective in delivering pinpoint strikes on Russian air defenses. When paired with cluster munitions, these systems can disable multiple vehicles or components of an air defense battery in a single strike. Long-range artillery, including Western-supplied systems such as M777 howitzers, complements these strikes, providing a layered approach to targeting. Russian propagandist Soloviev reacted to yesterday's message by President Trump. His reply can be boiled down to, "How can you talk to the great Russia like that?"
Most importantly, either you come to an agreement immediately or we will introduce such sanctions. Is this how you talk to great Russia? Are we losing the war? Is the enemy at our gates? And to avoid such illusions, it is important to note why Europe constantly pushes this narrative that Russia is losing.
Speaking at Davos Forum, Donald Trump demanded that Saudi Arabia and OPEC lower oil prices immediately and significantly. President Trump emphasized that if that happens, that would end Russia's war against Ukraine, as Russia won't have the money to finance military spending.
I'm also going to ask Saudi Arabia and OPEC to bring down the cost of oil. You got to bring it down, which frankly, I'm surprised they didn't do before the election. If the price came down, the Russia-Ukraine war would end immediately. Right now, the price is high enough that that war will continue. You got to bring down the oil price. You got to end that war.
During the annual Ukrainian breakfast discussion, NATO Secretary General Mark Rutte stated that the EU needs the US to stay involved and to do as much as possible to get Ukraine in a position of strength whenever peace talks start.
In Ukraine, we need US also to stay involved and to do as much as possible to get Ukraine in a position of strength whenever peace talks start. But I can tell the Europeans, if this new Trump administration is willing to keep on supplying Ukraine with defense industrial from its defense industrial base, the bill will be paid by the Europeans. I'm absolutely convinced of this. We have to be willing to do that because at this moment they are paying more than the Europeans. And here Trump is right. It is a worldwide conflict, yes, but still Ukraine is closer to Europe than to the US.
Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, who is seeking a meeting with US President Donald Trump, said on Tuesday that at least 200,000 European peacekeepers would be needed to prevent a new Russian attack after any ceasefire deal. The Ukrainian leader, speaking at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, a day after Trump returned to power following months of promises to end the war in Ukraine quickly, also urged European leaders to do more to defend the continent. The prospect of a rapid settlement has focused minds in Kiev and Europe on the urgent need for security guarantees to prevent any future Russian attack, with the idea of peacekeeping force circulating. From all the Europeans, 200,000, it's a minimum. It's a minimum, otherwise it's nothing, Zelensky said when asked about the idea of a peacekeeping contingent on an interview panel after delivering his speech. That number is around the size of the entire French armed forces, estimated at just over 200,000 by France's defense ministry in 2020. Zelensky said at least that number would be needed as a security guarantee if Russia's armed forces totaled 1.5 million personnel and Ukraine had only half that number. Zelensky said such a force would only be part of the security guarantees that Ukraine needed. In 2024, Russia received 148 KN-23 ballistic missiles from North Korea, which are actively used to strike the territory of Ukraine. Lieutenant General Kirilo Budanov, chief of the Defense Intelligence of Ukraine, shared this with the war zone. According to him, it is also expected that Pyongyang will transfer another 150 such missiles to Moscow this year. Russia uses KN-23 to strike Ukraine, launching them from the Kursk and Bryansk regions. North Korean military experts are helping the Russians use these tactical missile systems. Russia uses KN-23 to strike Ukraine, launching them from the Kursk and Bryansk regions. North Korean military experts are helping the Russians use these tactical missile systems. We have information that Russia has used about 60 North Korean missiles against Ukraine. Their accuracy in principle is not very high, said the DIU representative. In early January 2024, National Security Council Coordinator John Kirby announced the first use of the KN-23 to strike Ukraine. He said that Russia used these missiles to strike Zaporizhzhia on December 29, 2023, and Kharkiv on January 2, 2024. The specialists of the Defense Intelligence of Ukraine have found a significant number of Western components in ballistic missiles. Due to Russia's active use of missiles, experts were able to collect a significant portion of the surviving components, which indicates that most of them are parts manufactured by companies from the United States, Europe, and Asia.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.